Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, we'll show you how to add local files on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app, and if you go to your library, then you can't see any options here as local files, or you can't edit from here. You can see you can't edit your local files from here. Just you can add artists or uh, songs from Spotify, but you can't add your local files on your uh, library here. So I'll show you how can you do it. So go for this home tab and go for the settings option. Scroll down. So after that, where is it? You can see here local files option. You need to do is go for this slider on, then go back to your library, and you can see here is the uh, option or file as a local files. You have to click on it, and you can see here is your all of your local files. So go for it, and it's playing. So this is how you can add local files on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.